Hey, how's it going? Patriot here, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a very Merry Christmas. Hope you are enjoying the holiday season. I definitely am. I'm with my family in Scotland, and I thought it would be very cool to draw this little Christmas Gandalf on ice skates, because it's just something I thought of, right? I was drawing this pretty cool action pose of like a running lean character, and I looked at it and I was like, I could really do with a really cool character. So I thought of Gandalf, matches the proportions. I thought to myself, I'll make this Gandalf inspired wizard. And because the holiday season, it's Christmas time, I thought I might as well give him a Christmas feel, put him on ice skates, and you know, just make it look a bit more Christmassy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, be sure to hit that like and subscribe. I'll let you watch it. So this is Gandalf on ice. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I wasn't actually planning on releasing this, but because I am away and I can't do any live streams or actual content, I thought I'd upload this. It took like, I don't know, 5 hours to draw in total with my own proportions, my own pose, and then, you know, adding the features, messing around with the settings, making it all look right. It's not finished yet. I need to change the hands, add some of the detailing, and add color, but I'm pretty happy with it. I hope that you like it. Studying all this in uni really helped me, learning all the different proportions of the body and different poses and how it actually works. So I really enjoyed doing this. If you want to see a part 2 of me finishing this off, maybe making more characters, be sure to let me know. Hope you're having a very good Christmas as well, like I said before. And this was quite tiring to record, as you can tell by my little face cam, and I have my head down all this time just because I was drawing on a tablet using Photoshop. But it was a lot of fun to do. I really enjoyed this character. Have a couple of other characters I haven't recorded, but I just thought I'd do like a speed run of this one. This is, by the way, like 12 times the speed, I think. It's probably like around 12 times the speed, but I had a rough outline set because I started doing it in uni in my free time in between lectures, and I just kind of liked the pose and I didn't want it to go to waste, and I finished it off in the house, as you can tell. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm missing you all, and I'm pretty sure all of you are missing me. Be sure to subscribe for more content like this and smash that like button for me. Have a very Merry Christmas.